Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to mention that we have a update for Microsoft Edge released late yesterday, April the 21st, and that update does not contain anything security. It's purely a bug fixing update. So on Microsoft Edge stable version, if you want to know if you have the latest version, if you had some problems particularly, since there's no security problems, it's not, you don't have to update it right now. It will, if you use Edge, update itself automatically at some point. So it's not really urgent. But if you've had some issues, maybe it's worth checking out. So I'll go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go down to Help and Feedback, to About Microsoft Edge, and you should be up to date to 100.0.1185.50. So this is the latest version of the Microsoft Edge stable browser. And so they fix some of the bugs that were in the browser. Now it's interesting because when you look at anything, there's really no information or anything released as to exactly what are the bugs they fixed. But apparently they fixed some stuff in here. So as they actually released each versions, people will at times, of course, talk or send feedback with problems, because you can, of course, use the Feedback Hub to send problems. If you do have issues, you can actually have feedback sent so that you can basically let them know that there are some problems in the versions of the web browser that you're using. So check it out. Once again, upper right corner, 3 dots. Go down to About Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge for the latest version. Once again, there's no hurry, no security fixes in here at all. It's really just bug fixing updates, so something probably people were complaining about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.